You're listening to the Amazon VA Spotlight, powered by the Amazon VA Powerhouse and hosted by the one and only Coach Steph. It's the show where real Amazon virtual assistants share real stories. From the hustle of getting started to the triumphs of thriving in the VA world. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, this is your space to learn, grow, and get inspired. Let's turn the spotlight on and dive in.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Maayong gabi. Alright, so welcome to another exciting edition of Amazon VA Spotlight, the show where we shine a light on the incredible world of virtual assistants working with Amazon sellers. So the Amazon VA Spotlight, this is a bi-weekly show, 1 hour live show where we dive deep into the real journeys of Amazon virtual assistants. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this is for you. All right. So, although, yeah, I mentioned in our last session that would be joined by an Amazon PPC specialist today, but there has been a slight change. So, my guest has an important matter to attend to. So, but don't worry, we've got another special guest for you tonight. She's an aspiring Amazon VA who started with zero knowledge and worked her success to become an Amazon VA today. So we'll be diving into her journey, exploring how she overcame challenges and made it to the Amazon world. So here, real stories, real challenges, and real growth. All right, so take a seat, stay with us, and let's dive into the world of Amazon virtual assistants. So I'm very excited to introduce today's guest. Her name is Mary Santos, an Amazon market support specialist, and she started her VA career or Amazon VA as an Amazon VA year 2022. Oh no, sorry, 2020. So as a customer service representative. So she started as CSR with zero knowledge of the platform. So it's really possible that you will become a VA with zero knowledge. You just have to work your way to show up and to do your best to get that job. If you really want it, then do your best. So she quickly adapted and developed her expertise. Mary's dedication and hard work led her to the promotion to assistant brand manager. And then where she further honed her skills. And then now, with 5 years of experience in the Amazon ecosystem, she strives in her role as an Amazon Marketplace support specialist today, helping businesses optimize their presence and success on the platform. So let's dive into Mary's journey and insights into Amazon VA work and as an Amazon Marketplace support. Let's all welcome Mary. Yeah. Good evening. Maing gabi, Iday. Maing gabi.
Maayong gabi sa tanang mga listeners.
Yes. Thank you so much for being here with us and kabalo ko daghan jud ma-inspire sa imuhang story tonight. I know Tagalog ta. Maraming mai-inspire sa iyo tonight. So yes. So before we start, yeah, tell me a little bit about yourself. Yung hindi ko na mention kanina, yung wala na ako na storya ba?
Hello. Yeah. Before joining in this VA industry world, I've been into a corporate world since I'm working office based for 8 years. Then, yeah, I understand the feeling that pagod ka, traffic, tapos pag payday, wala nang matira kasi parang bayad dito, bayad doon lang. Yeah. So, luckily, I have the chance na may nakilala kong isang friend dati, naka-office mate ko na yung work niya is parang online. Kasi nung around 2017, hindi pa siya masyadong booming yung VA, hindi
Mm.
pa siya maraming nakakaalam. So parang naengganyo ako kasi 'di ba pag kahit may work tayo sa sa office, marami talaga tayong mga loans dito at mga financial obligations. Parang na curious ako tapos binigyan niya lang ako ng website which is yung onlinejobs.ph. Doon sabi niya lang na, "Okay, gawa ka ng account diyan tapos apply ka lang." At first wala talaga akong preferred na niche kung ano
Mm.
talaga yung tina-target. Basta lang feeling ko sa job description is kaya ko, apply ako.
Mm.
Which is, I didn't realize in the long run, nga, parang mas maganda pala pag may edge ka
Episode
talaga.
of the
Mm. Thank you for that, Mary. Yes. So, um, tips that we can give to the newbies. So you really have to optimize your, mga freelancer site accounts. Like for example, yung online jobs, right? Doon mo nakita yung client. So, yun. And then you have to make sure that the job description fits you and you know what to do with the job description. You are skilled with it, then go ahead, apply. But if hindi naman fit sa'yo, wag ka na lang mag-apply muna and you just have to make sure na you will improve yourself para maka-apply ka na on that post. Alright,
Yeah.
thank you for sharing, Mary. Also, eto pala si Mary, aside sa Amazon VA to, eto, kasama ko siya noon in one of my client. Tapos, K-drama buddy ko to. Yung stress reliever namin is K-drama. So, yon. We love K-dramas. Alright, so, okay, may mga questions ako sa'yo, so that, our listeners will be able to get insights, on your journey. So, yung first question ko is, yeah, you already told us na you're from corporate world before becoming an Amazon VA. But I just want to ask, what really inspired you to pursue work from home opportunity? 'Di ba? Uh, eto kasing work from home, sabi nila it's very a lonely job kasi ikaw lang daw yung nagtatrabaho sa bahay niyo,
Oo.
wala kang kasama, pero we can testify na hindi naman talaga siya lonely kasi meron tayong mga virtual friends din. So yes, that was a question. What inspired you? Ay, I think we lost Mary, guys. Sorry for the technical difficulties. Parang ano kasi yung internet is parang on and off baka sa panahon din. So but yeah, we ask for your patience. Baka in the meantime, in the meantime, if meron kayong questions, you can comment on the post and we will be answering those if you have questions. And oh, we have Mary back. So parang nag-ano pa.
Sorry.
Hello. That's fine. You
Natin
can
dito.
yung internet kasi no. It's fine, it's fine. Yes.
Yeah, sa question ulit, ano ang nag-motivate sa akin? Patuloy tayo dito. Yeah.
Mm.
Hindi na talaga ako tumpik-tumpik. Number one talaga is financial. Financial. Because, to be honest, mas malaki talaga siya kikitain dito kasi dollar rate siya compared. Tsaka, it's up to your choice kung magbabayad ka. Kasi compulsory na lang magbayad for your own contributions. Then, another thing is, gusto ko kasi, syempre, bilang ina, I want to have my own space at saka gusto ko rin makita, parang big opportunity na siya sa akin na alagaan at yung mga anak ko at the same time naka-work ako kasi nag-start ako ng full-time as work from home. Is toddler pa yung mga bata. So around
Mm.
mga 3, 4. So sobrang liit nila. Tapos yung mga age na yan is super parang nag umpisa pa lang yung mga memories nila. So, gusto ko, nandun ako while working. Tsaka, another thing is, madali lang kahit saan ka punta, may work ka, bitbit mo lang yung laptop mo. You can work anywhere, wear any type of clothes. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, yes. Yes. We have a note here from our page. Yes, please bear with us due to intermittent connection. But we will make sure we will push this through and we will be ending this. We will complete the show. So yon. So thank you, Mary, for sharing. It's really one of the advantages as a working from home, na you'll be able to take care of your kids at home while working, and you can work anywhere. Although, iba-iba naman yung preferences ng tao. So, some people might be comfortable working in a corporate world, and some people will be comfortable working at home. So, yon. Alright. So, matanong ko lang, Mary, ano yung biggest challenge mo the challenges that you faced as an Amazon VA, and how did you overcome it?
Yes, napakahirap. Kasi usually, yung startup ko kasi sa Amazon is through customer support. So, meaning customer support, madali lang naman talaga pag ma- magre-reply ka lang ng concern sa customer related sa kung anong product na
Mm.
binibenta. But deep inside or back end na ng Amazon is napakahirap nung first pagsisimula ko talaga, mga around first year, gano'n. Kasi
Mm.
zero knowledge ako, hindi ako kumuha ng mga trainings kasi sobrang mahal by that time. Tsaka wala talaga akong budget for that. May nakalaan talaga yung mga finances ko sa gano'n.
Mm.
So what I did, since zero knowledge ako, parang once you can work kasi, magkakaroon ka rin ng mga virtual friends. So, advice ko lang, treasure your friends virtual even though hindi kayo magkikita or something, ganun. Pero malaking tulong pa rin talaga sila in case pag may kailangan ka, questions, kasi parang nandyan ka pa rin sa corporate, may matatanungan ka, may malalapitan ka kumbaga. Then, tinitake another ginawa ko is yung video, manonood ako ng mga videos kasi 'di ba maraming videos tutorial. Pag nakagawa ka na, for example, kung sino man nagsisimula dito as customer service, i-take niyo yung opportunity, i-search niyo yung Seller University or pati i-search niyo sa YouTube. Marami talaga kayong matutunan without enrolling course also. Yeah,
Mm.
marami kayong matutunan, at least kumbaga may sa paglagi niyo pagpapanood ng mga videos, may learnings na kayo, at saka kung gusto niyo pa
Mm.
mag-excel, kasi 'di ba hindi naman lahat tinuturo talaga sa videos.
True. Mm.
Oo, kung gusto niyo talaga kasi may iba-iba kasi tayong type ng pag-understand, 'di ba? Kung paano natin talaga inaunawa yung mga dapat gawin. May mga tao na sadyang gusto sila may parang tutorial talaga na live. So, pwede din kayo
Mm.
mag-enroll. Kasi 'di ba, mas nakakatulong yung mag-enroll ka rin ng course kasi parang yung competition din ngayon compare sa time ko nung nagsisimula ako is hindi pa talaga parang required yung mga certificates. Ngayon parang isa na siya talaga sa mga requirements if meron kang certificate na gano'n, may knowledge kang
Mm.
ganito. So, parang edge mo na rin kumbaga. For halimbawa, at least kung zero experience ka, zero knowledge, tapos nag-enroll ka, at least may mapapakita ka talaga na, hindi talaga to siya naggumagawa ng kwenta na marunong talaga.
Yes, yes. Thank you for sharing, Mary. So yeah, totoo yung shinare mo. Yung mga kasama natin sa trabaho, yung mga co-VAs natin, malaking tulong din talaga sila. In case na we have questions, or anong tawag dito, if you want someone to rant to, kung stress ka, ganon. But I understand na may nakikita kasi ako sa mga post sa Facebook na mga toxic na coworker. coworkers kasi they have that crab mentality. So I
True.
hope to everyone listening, so let's stop crab mentality. Let's not pull people down para maging successful tayo. So because if you help other people, I know the heavens, the universe will also help you 10 times. So let's respect and value our coworkers, our co-VAs, para maganda yung working ano natin, working environment. So yes. Tapos yes, yung training, I know Mary is very lucky because yung client niya was able to train her with zero knowledge, and then naging ano siya, skilled VA na after. Wag lang kayong mawala ng pag-asa na newbie ka, baka walang clients na kukuha sa akin kasi newbie ako. No. I know there are clients na kukuha kahit newbie at sila na yung magte-train. Okay? So, but as my mentor said, being skilled isn't what gets you clients. It's how you solve the client's problems. So, if you know how to solve the client's problem, then walang problema. The client will hire you. So, ganon siya. All right. So, yes. So as of the moment, Mary, how are you feeling with your clients, or okay lang ba?
So
Stress
far,
ba? Or are you happy?
so far so good sa dalawang Amazon clients ko. Parang naka-feel talaga ako na bless ako ni Lord kasi
Mm.
yung dalawang clients ko is sa Europe, parang Europe continent kasi sila. So, yung work schedule is not graveyard, which is big plus. Parang big opportunity na rin yun para sa akin as a mom to have a
Mm.
balance talaga. Tapos yung client ko, okay lang sila, okay yung mga pasahod, yung mga treatment nila, pero hindi mo na lang talaga maiiwasan. Meron talagang mga issues sa mga
Mm.
listings na hirap-hirap kang i-resolve na parang gusto mo na mag-quit kasi hindi man nila pinapamukha, pero parang nafi-feel mo na we lost every day for bigyan ka pa naman ng amount kung ano ang na-loss nila dahil sa hindi ma-resolve na issue. So ayun, advice ko lang din if mayroong ganun, keep pushing lang talaga sa Amazon support, keep pushing. Try also utilize ChatGPT kasi napakalaking tulong na nila talaga ngayon.
Yes, yes, that's true. I can totally relate with the issues, no? Kasi as an Amazon VA, yung mga listing issues talaga, it will come out that you don't expect it. So every day it can, it can happen every day, and pwede din siyang new issues. Pwede din siya yung issues na na-experience yun noon. Pero mostly it's really new issues given by Amazon. So, parang wala kasing manual na ito dapat gawin
Mm.
ganon. Kasi sometimes yung seller support, iba-iba din yung answers nila. Although we can ask help from them, pero some talaga is parang ewan ko ba, sorry, mag-comment lang ako na parang gusto gusto ba nila yung work nila or hindi? Parang hindi sila tumutulong sa gano'n.
Mhm.
Pero all you have to do is just, be patient. Um, Kasi, at one time makakuha ka rin ng support na will go beyond talaga na i-resolve yung issue mo. Although some will just, use templated, replies.
Replies.
Oo, mga canned messages na ginagamit nila. Tapos yun na, na-answer ko na, bahala na 'to sila, bahala yung issues nila. So gano'n. So you just have to be patient. And yes, very true, we never stop learning. We never stop learning. So watch YouTube, search it in ChatGPT. Every day is a learning opportunity. So kahit 6 years, 10 years ka pa on your niche or in your career, there's always something to learn new every day. So yes. All right. So before pala, we would like to invite everyone who is tuning in or listening to us. Please follow the VA Radio. This page is very informative. Aside from Amazon VA, they have lots of other niches that you can listen to, and some sponsors are giving like free trainings and what do you call this? Meron din ibang nung tawag dito, show na magbibigay ng information about general VA, medical VA, mga ibang niche aside from Amazon. So make sure to follow guys the VA Radio, and also please follow my page. Um, ano na lang lagay sa Ray ng link ng page ko. Coach Steph, the Amazon VA. And then, yes, we posted the website, our website for the Amazon VA course. If you want to, have a coach guide you on how to become an Amazon VA, we also have we have course there, and the payment scheme, we have staggered payment. So you just check out the website and you just reach out to me on my page if you have any questions. If you want to ask me about Amazon VA, if you want help with your issues, with your work issues with Amazon, about Amazon, you can reach out to me for free and we can talk. All right. So, yes, before we end, Mary, I know Mary is busy tonight. She still have a meeting. So, before we end, please give our listeners advice or final advice on about becoming Amazon VA.
Yes, my advice is, even if zero knowledge kayo, wag talaga kayong matakot, just like me, because marami ka talagang matutunan dito sa Amazon. Amazon is very broad. Marami ka talagang pwedeng mapasok na work dito. Hindi lang siya Amazon na Amazon. Merong logistics, merong customer service, merong listing optimization, merong PPC. Parang marami kasi siyang category nga pwede mong i-master kung saan ka talaga. So, hanapin mo lang if you are trying to pursue Amazon as an Amazon VA, you just find kumbaga, isipin mo kung saan ka talaga hiyang na need mo i-master. Yan yung tagang tip ko. Once pag may na-master ka na, ang dali-dali lang. Ang dali-dali makahanap ng clients. Ang dali-dali lang alam mo saan direction mo pwede i-optimize yung profile mo, yung learnings mo, saan mo i-focus. So, yun ang advice ko. Huwag matakot, tapos kilalanin yung sarili mo kung ano talaga yung niche na gusto mo pasukin, at saka more prayers because si Lord talagang bahala.
Yes, thank you so much, Mary. I'm sure yung listeners natin is that's very helpful for our listeners. So just to add, you just need to focus on your strength. That's your guidance on what niche you want to get. So if you are good with customer service, then go ahead, go with CSR Amazon. If you're good with numbers, you can go with PPC, Amazon PPC. If you're good with admin task, then you can go ahead, and Amazon catalog is very good din. Yes. All right. So yes. Thank you so much, Mary. And that wraps up our another fantastic episode of Amazon VA Spotlight. A big thank you to Mary for sharing her expertise and insights with us today. So we hope you found it as valuable and inspiring as we did here in the VA Radio. So if you got more questions, be sure to visit the VA Radio page or connect with me on Facebook, Coach Steph, Amazon VA, or in LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn, Stephanie Jane Kimko, just search me. I'm always here to keep the conversation going. All right. So thank you so much, everyone, for listening, for tuning in tonight. Your support truly means the world to us. So until next time, keep shining in your career, and remember, the right attitude and mindset are the key to our success, your success. So stay tuned for more episodes in the next 2 weeks and have a fantastic night ahead, everyone. Thank you so much. Keep safe. I know the weather is not nice and there's an upcoming, parang may bagyo na naman. So keep safe, everyone. And I have to drop Mary na kasi she still has a meeting later. So thank you guys and connect with us. Thank you.
Of the Amazon Steph. If today's journey lit a fire in you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, follow us, and join the conversation. Got your own VA story? Reach out and let's get you in the spotlight. Until next time, keep grinding, keep shining, and remember, real stories, real challenges, real growth. Only here on the Amazon VA Spotlight. Informative, engaging, empowering, this is the VA Radio. Keep it light.